Hi, I'm Kashif Sheikh, and I scored a 1580 on the August SAT about 2 months ago. When I started, I had no idea about the SAT, its format, or any of the concepts that would be tested. So scoring above a 1500 seemed like a dream to me. Test Prep Pundits helped me turn that dream into a reality. Test Prep Pundits is a comprehensive program which places a special emphasis on avoiding silly mistakes and applying concepts in creative ways to save time. Helped me go from an inexperienced test taker to a master of the SAT. My maths teacher, Mr. Anwar, helped all these foreign maths concepts I'd never seen before seem familiar and easy. His tricks helped me stay consistent and save time on the maths section, and without him, I wouldn't have been able to score an 800 on math. As an international student, I was in over my head when it came to English. I had no idea what to do at all. But Mr. Patrick, my English teacher, helped me gain a firm grasp of English grammar and general English conventions. Without the skills that he provided me with, I wouldn't have been able to write the script that you're listening to right now. Test Prep Pundits' digital curriculum is a rich practice material that offers a plethora of questions that help you analyze your progress over time. Some of the greatest feats in human history, such as Neil Armstrong walking on the moon, or scientists taking the first images of a black hole, weren't accomplished alone. So why study for a life-changing exam like the SAT on your own? Join Test Prep Pundits today and take the first step towards becoming a top 1% scorer.